I remember that day.
I never forgot it. That a slave could take revenge against.
Where were you born?
I don't know. But
You will be my instrument.
who are you?
Did you hear that crowd? The greatest temple Rome ever built. Because this is what they believe in. Power.
General Acacius. Rome has so many subjects, she must feed them.
The gladiators into free men.
You have something. Rage.
Survive! Hold together and when it charges, break for the wall.
The general will do.
I need to only give it a push.
We make it. Alright. Hands on the mausoleum. Things the Colosseum doors.
What is the dream of Rome?
Bloodstains.
That people are not free.
I was owned. Now I will control an empire.
I will not waste another generation of young men for their vanity.
On the mausoleum floor.